welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious pistachio tapioca jello that I know you guys are going to love. It comes out nice and creamy and delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and creamy pistachio tapioca jello, these are the ingredients. I have the tapioca here, food coloring, green pistachio jello, milk, water, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious pistachio tapioca jello. So let's get started. Okay, let's start making this amazing tapioca. This is the way the tapioca is. The tapioca is very small. They have many sizes, but I got the small size. And from here, let's go to the stove. I have water already getting nice and hot, and I have the green food coloring that I'm going to add to the tapioca. I'm going to add it to the hot water, and I'm going to be stirring it. The tapioca will be ready when it's nice and transparent, and that's going to take about 15 minutes. On this pan, I'm going to add the evaporated milk and the condensed milk. These two flavors give this amazing jello a delicious flavor. Once you add all the container of the evaporated milk and the condensed milk, you're going to incorporate it completely, making sure that it is nice incorporated, the condensed milk into the evaporated milk. So just whisk it really good until you feel that the condensed milk has dissolved completely and has incorporated into the evaporated milk. Once that's done, I'm going to add the regular milk and I'm going to incorporate it. And to this, I'm going to add the pistachio jello. I'm going to add it right on the top. I'm going to mix it. And now let's go and see how the tapioca is doing. Like I said, it takes a little bit of time for that tapioca to get nice and transparent. Look at this. It's already nice and boiling. The tapioca is still nice and white. It needs about 10 more minutes. Look at this. Okay, when it's boiling this way, we are going to add the food coloring. Remember, the food coloring, you could add the color that you like. But here I'm adding green because the jello is going to be pistachio and it's a light green. So that's why I'm adding the green food coloring to the tapioca to give it that amazing color. Look at this. It's already almost getting transparent. You still see a little bit of the white tapioca. I'm gonna leave it for 5 more minutes until it's nice and clear. Look at this. This is the part that takes longer, getting the tapioca nice and clear like this. Now that you have it like this, now we're gonna go ahead, turn off the stove, and we're gonna put it on a sifter. We are going to remove all the excessive liquid. I'm gonna go ahead, pour it in here, and you could move it around, or you could move it around, or just let it sit until all the water comes out. I like moving it from side to side so the water comes out quickly through the bottom. So I'm gonna let it rest, and let's go see. After a few minutes, look at this. It's already getting nice and thick. It still has a little bit of liquid, but we are going to continue mixing until the liquid is completely done. Now that the milk is getting nice and warm, just make sure that you are moving the milk, stirring the milk so it doesn't stick to the bottom, okay? Look at this. It's already leaving the aroma of the pistachio. And here, look at this. This is exactly how you want your tapioca. Nice and thick, but yet no liquid in the tapioca. All the liquid is on the bottom. And now that the milk is nice and hot, I'm going to add half of the mixture of the tapioca, and I'm going to incorporate it so that it really incorporates into the milk. Look at this. Okay, now this is done. Now I have my mold here, and the rest of the tapioca I'm just going to add on the bottom, just like that, to give it that amazing color and the amazing look. And I'm going to start adding the milk a little bit at a time, helping myself with the little spatula. The aroma that it's in my kitchen is really amazing. The pistachio aroma is really infused all my kitchen, and I really love pistachio. I'm going to go ahead and pour the rest in here, and from here I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. After 6 hours, look at this. I'm going to take it out slowly, carefully. I'm going to be pulling slowly, and let's reveal how this amazing tapioca pistachio jello came out. Look at this. This looks beautiful. You could see all the little balls of the pistachio right on the top. I can't wait to enjoy. If you like this recipe and you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. If you're here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe so that you don't lose all these amazing recipes I share with you. My Jell-O is almost falling, but here I am ready to show you how thick, how creamy, how delicious this tapioca pistachio jello is. Look at this, and the color is just so amazing. It's a dark green on the top. The bottom, it's really light green. I mean, I can't wait to enjoy. I want to show you how thick and how creamy this jello is. Of course, with the tapioca right on the top, amazing. I'll see you in just a little bit. I can't wait to enjoy. Friends, I am completely done with this amazing tapioca pistachio jello. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. It looks beautiful, it looks nice and creamy, but let's see how it came out. Cheers. It's really creamy. The flavor of the pistachio very concentrated, and the tapioca gives it that little taste. Just amazing. I hope, my friends, you can make this amazing tapioca pistachio jello at home with all your beautiful family. After dinner and you want something sweet, well, this is the perfect dessert. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.